Hello, my name is Juan Andrea Rușanu, and I am a PhD student at Transylvania University of Brașov from Romania. Beyond research studies at PhD, I am working as a software test engineer at Preh company, an automotive company from Brașov, Romania. Moreover, I teach LabVIEW classes to students at laboratory, to faculty of electrical engineering and computer science. So today I will continue with the second part of the application that I developed for simulating the control of a 3D wheelchair that I designed and controlled in LabVIEW by manual and automatic mode. So I used the P300 speller board provided by GTEC. This is a customized version to provide to send the commands by UDP data communication. The commands are related to different movement directions to control this 3D wheelchair to reach the final destinations defined in this virtual environment. So I will continue with the 8th experiment, then 9th and 10th experiment from intermediate level. Here I will send 7 commands. So I'll focus my attention on 7 symbols, 7 items from this P300 unicorn spell. Then I will continue with the advanced level. Okay, so here in the advanced level, let's see. Here in the advanced levels, there are 2. Okay. Yes, for we have both 11th and 12th experiment for the advanced level. So let's begin. Okay, so first of all, I will define my commands. As you can see here, the first command is backward short distance, then again backward short distance, then rotate left with 90 degrees, after that left long distance for 3 times, left long distance, and finally rotate right with 90 degrees. Okay, and this is necessary to reach the location with the number 8. Here we can see this location is this one. This is the location that the wheelchair should be controlled to. Okay, let's begin. This is the first command. Perfect. Everything worked fine. Then rotate left with 90 degrees. That's great. Continue with left long distance for 3 times. Super. Okay. Okay. It's really cool. That's great. Wait a moment. Oh, okay. Okay, it's perfect. I just used right long to reverse. So, yes. So here I should adjust the list of commands. This is an additional unuseful command. Okay, so there are 6 commands. Yes. But everything worked well with even 7 past results. Okay, 100%. So you could see that the wheelchair reached the final destination. I'll select reset, and I also want to stop the LabVIEW just to avoid the overloading of the computer. Okay, restart and continue with the next one. So the 9th experiment, remove these commands, and I will set here forward short distance 2 times, then rotate right with 90 degrees, then right long distance. So right long distance 2 times. Okay, and right short distance. Right short distance. Okay. Okay, and rotate left with 90 degrees. So these are the required commands that I should focus my attention and my eyes for the intermediate level. So let's check them. Yes, it's okay. I zoomed in again. Forward short distance. everything works perfect. Then rotate right 90 degrees. Magnificent. Continue with right long distance 2 times. So that's perfect. Let's perform again the same command, right long distance. Great. Okay. And right short distance. It's okay. And in the end, rotate left 90 degrees. Yes, everything worked fine. So all the commands were detected with 100% accuracy. All the results here are also passed. Let's add them. We had 7 commands, okay, and 100% accuracy. Then the last experiment for the intermediate level. First of all, I should reset here the position, stop and run again the LabVIEW application. So now we should reach this location, numbered with 10. Here I remove the selected commands, and now I will define these commands. Backward short distance 2 times, then rotate right with 90 degrees, then right long distance, so this one 2 times, right short distance, this one, and rotate left with 90 degrees. So the only difference is determined by switching forward with replacing forward with backward, and the other commands are the same. Okay, let's begin. So the first one is backward short distance, executed 2 times. Yes. And here in LabVIEW, you can check the controlling of the 3D wheelchair by this movement direction. Okay, that's fine. Again, backward short distance. Nice. Then rotate right with 90 degrees. Perfect. Then continue with right long distance 2 times. Perfect. Again, I will select the same command, right long distance. That's perfect. You can see the wheelchair is reaching the final position and right short distance. That's great. And the last one, rotate left with 90 degrees. That's great. Okay, you can see that the 3D virtual wheelchair arrived in the final destination. So everything worked perfect. Here we also have 7 pass results with the 100% accuracy. Okay, and now there comes the latest experiments for the advanced level. So these are more difficult, but I will do it for sure. Okay, backspace, I will remove these commands. Then here reset. So these centered locations were reached, and now we have 11 and 12. Let's check again. So here, yes, here is 11. As you can see, 11 and 12. Okay. I will stop and restart the LabVIEW application to save the resources of the computer. And now, let's continue with the 11th experiment for the advanced level. So here, the first command is rotate reverse with 180 degrees. Okay, then backward long distance, this one, then backward short distance for 2 times, then rotate right with 90 degrees, this one, then right short distance, this one. I'll continue with rotate reverse 180 degrees. After that, backward short distance, movement direction for 3 times. Okay, 3 times. Then rotate left 90 degrees. Then left short distance command for 2 times. Okay, 2 times. And in the end, rotate right with 90 degrees. So this set of commands is even too large to be displayed here. Yeah, it's a difficult experiment, but this will award me with the advanced level. So in LabVIEW, reset, and let's begin. Rotate full 180 degrees, a new command. Perfect, okay. Backward long distance. Really nice. Backward short distance. Perfect. Again, the same command. Backward short distance. Everything worked perfect. 4 commands correctly achieved. Rotate right with 90 degrees. That's really nice. Then let's continue with the next command. Right short distance. Perfect. 6 commands already correctly detected. Rotate reverse 180 degrees now. Yes. Okay, we have 7 commands. Backward short distance. Really nice. Already 8 commands correctly detected. Again, backward short distance. Really nice. Next command. Let's see. Perfect. Okay. Everything's worked fine. Rotate left with 90 degrees, the next command. That's really nice. Then we still have some commands. Left short distance. Yeah, that's perfect. Left short distance was executed. Let's continue. Again, the same command. Perfect. Okay. Rotate right with 90 degrees. Yes. Okay, so these were the commands. Here is the wheelchair. Yes, here all the commands were correctly detected. So I want to before I add the past results, I want to check them again by manually controlling the 3D virtual wheelchair to be sure that I set them in the correct order. So reset. So we have rotate reverse with 180 degrees, this one, then backward long distance, this one, then backward short distance 2 times, this one, then rotate right with 90 degrees, then right short distance, okay. After that, rotate reverse with 180 degrees. I'll continue with backward short distance executed 3 times. After that, rotate left with 90 degrees. Then left short distance 2 times. Okay, and rotate right with 90 degrees. Okay, so yeah, these were the commands. Okay, so the last one, I think here, yeah, maybe here was not performed. Okay, reset. So for rotate right 90 degrees, here is the block diagram. I will check again the rotate right 90 degrees. I want to check again the state machine. Is, yeah, this one. Okay. Anyway, the commands looks good. I could detect them with 100% accuracy. Okay. And the next experiment is again for the advanced level, and it is aimed to run the next 13 commands here. So it's the last experiment, it's the 11th experiment, and I hope everything will be perfect again. So these two experiments are so difficult that even unicorn speller is quite overloaded or exceeded. Let's try again. So here the first one is forward long distance, then forward short distance, again forward short distance, then rotate left 90 degrees, then left short distance, after that rotate 180 degrees, so this one. So here is rotate full, then forward short distance 2 times, after that again forward short distance. Okay, then rotate right 90 degrees, continue with right short distance for 2 times, and again, and in the end rotate left with 90 degrees. Okay, so this is the set of all the commands that I will perform in the next moments. And here you will see that the wheelchair, so I will start the LabVIEW application, and now you will see that the wheelchair will be controlled so that it will reach this location for the 11th experiment. Let's begin. So the first one is forward long distance. Yes, perfect. Then forward short distance 2 times. Yeah, perfect. I'll continue with the same command, forward short distance. That's really nice. Then further, rotate left 90 degrees. Okay, you can see the wheelchair. It was moved. Then left short distance. Everything fine. Then rotate full 180 degrees. Really nice. Let's adjust. Forward short distance was executed. Again. Oh, it's okay, but it was a collision. I should check again the commands. I don't know which is the next command. So this one. Rotate right. Yes, the command was correctly detected. Right short distance. Okay, the command was correctly executed. Let's continue with the next command. Again, right short distance. Yeah, it's okay. Let's see the next command. Rotate left with 90 degrees. I think is the last one. Yes, so everything perfect. Yeah, I need to check again some values sent from unicorn to LabVIEW. Okay, so here is set. So if we go to board and timing, board content, here there are some output text that are sent from unicorn to LabVIEW, or in fact I am interested in the names of the files, so maybe that's why there were some missed values. But I want to manually control the 3D wheelchair by considering these movement directions. So starting from the initial position, I will send these commands. Forward long distance, this one, then forward short distance 2 times. Okay, after that rotate left 90 degrees. Okay, then left short distance. Okay, then rotate full 180 degrees. Yes, then forward short distance 3 times. Okay, after that rotate right with 90 degrees. Okay, then right short distance 2 times, and finally rotate left with 90 degrees. Okay, so everything is perfect. The commands was correctly executed, but it was some confusion. Yes, it was some technical issue between a LabVIEW and Unicorn. So I can check this. These are the flashing items based on human faces, and I'm interested in 2 dark items. This one. So let's see. Okay, so I think I'll finish my video here. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you enjoyed this video live demonstration. This video is aimed to demonstrate the experiments and to demonstrate the performance, the functional working, uh, to show how we can use this LabVIEW application that is integrated with the Unicorn spanner provided by the GTech company. Also, I want to inspire you to experiment the brain computer interface that has a lot of potential in multiple areas, not only in research but also in education, in creativity areas, for artists, for musicians, and also for everyone else. If you are interested to control different devices, even virtual simulations, only by thinking with your mind, then please try to experiment the brain computer interface. Be curious, passionate, and ambitious. Thank you very much.